Welcome to the new FWISD Curriculum Frameworks. This video will give you a quick overview of how to access curriculum documents, move, copy, and reorganize a curriculum to your specific needs, in addition to helping you organize your lessons for students. Let's get started. To begin, select the curriculum from your course menu. The curriculum will be pushed to you via the Focus SIS integration. From the landing page, you may click on the Open Plans link or the Unit Plans link to access the unit plans. The Scope and Sequence link has also been included for this course. Please review the scope and sequence before moving to the unit plans. The unit plans will be broken down by unit and topic. Each unit plan will include enduring understandings, a comprehensive unit task, and a rubric for the unit. Select the Plans drop-down to view individual lesson plans and overviews. The first lesson plan will be your teacher unit outline, which includes the teacher page and the unit at a glance. Select the teacher page to view detailed information about the specific unit, including desired results, English language proficiency standards, social emotional competencies, assessment evidence, and learning model correlation. To return to the unit plan, you may select the breadcrumbs link at the top, or select the plans icon on the side.